Hi friends, today we are going to learn how to register and use POSB Jolly app. First of all, we have many methods to interact bank. You mean going to branch or ATM or using digital ways like this app or calling from mobile phone like that. Today we use Jolly mobile app. Okay, comes to our topic. First of all, how Jolly apps. First of all, we need to know how Jolly app work. The Jolly app using the SMS banking method. So we don't want internet connection to use this app. Hey, happy. Okay, friends. What are the requirements we need to open and use Jolly app? First of all, we need a Android mobile with bank registered SIM card. Okay, then we need our passport number, then our bank account number. If you don't know which is your bank account number, you have a you have that get started sheet given by the bank. Then you find the account number in the bottom left corner by following your name. Okay, then friends, let's deep dive into the video. First we need to install the app Jolly. Just go to the Play Store and search POSB Jolly. In the first option shown in the video, just install the app, but I already installed that app, so just open it. First we open the POSB Jolly app. It want some mobile permissions. Just allow the permissions. Then you see a YouTube video. If you want to watch that video, just watch, or just click the dismiss option. Then we need to enter your passport number, then last four digit of your account number. Just enter that inputs, just enter next. Then the bank sent you a OTP to the registered mobile number. Then you just enter the OTP to the second. Okay, then enter. After you have a promotion like the shown video, you get that promotion. You successfully opened the Jolly app. Then you can use the POSB Jolly app. First of all, this is the interface. You just registered and open the Jolly app. You can check your balance. You transfer money to another bank accounts. You can recharge. So many options you have in this app. And also you don't want this app, you can deregister your mobile number from this Jolly app. From the top right corner, more options button, this. Okay friends, thank you. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and like or dislike the video. Thank you.